Hi guys, welcome to Media Max Store, and this is a new tutorial on Cartoon series. So today we're gonna show how to make the Nitro System on Unity3D. So let's begin. So open the car script and let's create some variables. And first thing we're gonna do is to add the the nitro value and the nitro boolean. The nitro boolean is for the nitro is on or off. So I'm going to make it as private. So private variable variable use nitro boolean equal to false if the car nitro is on, and we're going to create another variable left nitro flam game object, or particle emitter, and copy this, paste it down, change the left to right like this. Now what I have to do is to create the what happened? Emitter with double T. Good. Now what I have to do is to create the flames of the nitro. So create an empty game object named by nitro flames, drag it to the car, copy, paste, paste component values. Oh my god. So left nitro flames and right nitro flame. So add this component ellipsoid particle emitter, and so modify this as 35 and 0.35. Minimum energy is 1 and the max energy is gonna be to 1. Minimum emission as 100 and the max at 100. So the world velocity equal to 0, local velocity x equal to 0, y equal to 5, and the z equal to 0. Range velocity, the x equal to 0, the y equal to 5, and the z equal to 0. Emitter velocity scale 0.05, tangent velocity equal to 0, angular velocity like that, rend angular velocity like that, and the rend velocity equal to true, simulate inward space true, one shot false, 1 or 0 0 0 mean emitter range. So add another script or component, so particle emitter. So the first thing we got to make the alpha of the curves as top, like that. Good. Now the first is gonna be red, the second will be as yellow, like, yeah, like that. The third as pink, good. The fourth as blue, and the fifth as white, like that. So let's modify some variables. The world rotation axis is going to be to 0, and local rotation axis is going to be the same. Size grow 0.3, rend force 0 for 0, damping like that, and the auto destruct is equal to false. Now the third component is gonna be particle render. See here the particles. Oh my god. So anyway, the cast show shadows false and the receive shadows false. So for the material we have to add a texture like that, the Nitro flame texture is going to be like that. So drag it to the Unity. Oops. First thing, create folder named by particles, and make a new folder, source, and new folder, textures, and new folder, materials, like that. Drag the texture to the folder textures and make a GUI true color because we need it as transparent for preview, for just previewing, but in the material she's gonna set it as transparent automatically. So name the material as Nitro Flame material, and yeah, like that, like that. Add the texture. Oops, what's going on? So anyway, particles, add like that. That's it. Good. Now go to the left flames and add this material. You can see it. So anyway, so let's continue. The camera velocity scale 0, 0, or I guess, yeah, 0. Velocity scale 0, size 1, UV animation 1. Good. Now we have created our flames. Now we just copy this component or duplicate this object. Oops, what happened? Alright, Nitro flames. Good. Change the rotation or the X rotation as that. Good. Now the left is gonna be here. Like that. Oops. Good. This like Need for Speed Most Wanted Nitro. It's the same. Okay, so the X and the Y. Good. Change the X value like this. You see it? Oh my god. It's perfect. Now make the int as false and apply the change of the prefab of the car prefab. Now let's return to the script. First we fill the blanks here, left to left and right to right. Good. Now let's go to the script. Now what I have to do is so let's create Nitro function. Go over here, function Nitro, and go to the update. Good. Go down again and type if input dot get button. Let's choose a button over here. Input on fire 2. Fire 2. If input dot get button fire 2, use Nitro equal to true. and else use nitro equal to false. Good. Now go down and if use nitro and current speed is greater than 25 and oh yeah, that's it. So else we're going to add something later. So speed torque equal to like that, left flame dot emit, that emit is gonna be the where it is, come on, yeah, the emit is gonna be this emit boolean. Okay, so let's continue. Dot emit equal to true, yeah, and the right nitro flame dot emit again equal to true, like the first one. So and go to else, speed torque equal to, and the left nitro flame dot emit equal to false, right nitro flame dot emit equal to true. Good, very good. Now let's test it. Oops, what happened? Oh yeah, it's gonna be equal to false, sorry. So good, yeah, very good, so good. And if the car decelerating, you can see if I decelerating back, go back, the nitro not showing, and if the speed is greater than this, then the nitro don't show it. You can see. So now what I have to do is to add a nitro value. That nitro value is mean for if the nitro is shutting down, it means ended, finished, that the nitro don't show it, and there is no effect in the nitro function. So let's create that variable. So variable oops, nitro value, that's gonna be as int, not float, and is equal to nothing. So we go to start, nitro value equal to 100, like that. Good. Let's add here and nitro value equal to greater than 0 if, and create another if statement. If nitro value is smaller than 100 and not input dot get button fire 2, like that. Fire 2, yeah, and current speed is greater than this. Let's make it like that. Then the nitro value plus plus, else if nitro value is greater than 100, then the nitro value equal to 100. I guess that's it. Yeah, good. So now let's test it. First, sorry guys, first we're going to make the nitro value over here on the screen, over here, showing the nitro value. So let's create that function on GUI. If you don't know the GUI function, so go to the Unity referencing manual, and so you know, read the description of this function, or you go to the link below in the description, then you can read the description. So let's continue. Go to add GUI dot label, yeah, like that. Add direct five and screen dot width and 30. Now nitro value, because why have I added this? Because the value we're going to add it is on percent, so you should have a logic number plus some percent, and let's test it. Good. Oops. So what I have to do, GUI dot color equal to color dot black, I guess. Oops. black like this. Good, so good. Oops, what happened? There is something wrong. There is something wrong. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't add the nitro value to my strings like that. I'm sorry. Good. If I clicked on the fire 2 button, there's nothing. And if I can see, oh my, so you can see here the variable of the nitro is moving, and she is good. So thank you guys, want you in the next episode. I'm going to make another episode, and see you next time. Bye.